Here is why nail and glue hardwood installation beats other methods.
Hello. Did you know that nail and glue are two of the best ways to install a hardwood to produce a firm, permanent flooring? I'm Sebastian, and I'm here to explain why nail and glue is so key to your hardwood floor installation. These methods are fairly straightforward. Nail installation uses nails to hold boards firmly in place, and glue installation uses a powerful adhesive. Sounds simple enough, but we want you to know why these approaches are so solid. The thing to keep in mind is that both nails and glue adhere boards directly to the subfloor. This means that there is no need for additional underlayers or preparations beyond ensuring the subfloor is as even as possible. It's also easier to replace individual boards since they're all laid separately. You simply remove the damaged board and put in a new one, just like a puzzle piece. This is often more convenient than floating install methods, with boards locked together since removing a single plank can affect the stability of its surroundings. To sum up, nail and glue methods are considered reliable, permanent techniques that adhere planks directly to the subfloor and allow for replacement of individual planks without affecting the surrounding floor. When comparing nail and glue to floating options, it's worth remembering that nails won't work on concrete subfloors, and adhesive needs can depend on the subfloor area, moisture level, and type of wood that you're trying to glue down. Nailing alone is generally the cheaper install method, since nails cost less than adhesive, but the two together are a reliable combination. Nail and glue can be challenging to do yourself, so it's worth getting professional help to ensure your wood is treated carefully and installed beautifully. Chestnut Flooring offers professional installation services and a wealth of experience to help you out. Feel free to drop us a line or subscribe to this channel for more videos about flooring installation.